now here.
There are some important points we have to remember when we write a sentence. First, sentence always begin with capital letter and ends with a period or we say full stop. A period or period is also called as a full stop. Full stop, question mark, question mark or an exclamatory sign. It's depend what kind is. This is the important points to remember when we write the sentence. Sentence always begins with capital letter and ends with a period or we'll say full stop, question mark or an exclamatory sign. It is depend what kind is. Now we'll first move parts of sentence. Then we'll jump in kinds of sentence. First we'll learn about the parts of sentence. A sentence is divided into two parts. There are two parts of sentence, subject and predicate. You already read this subject and predicate in your first class, second class, third class. Now it is given some detailed information about subject and predicate. So first we learn about what is subject. A part of a sentence there its name about which whom we are talking about. For example, I will give you one example. The boy is playing in the garden. The boy is playing in the garden. What is the subject here? The boy. Because we are talking about the boy. So the boy is subject. And what he is doing? He is playing in the garden. क्या कर रहा है? He is playing in the garden. It's called a predicate. Parts of sentence where something is being said about the name, noun or subject. What we say about the subject is called the predicate. Example: mother loves her child. Where mother is the subject. Who loves their child? Mother. We are talking about mother. Here mother is the subject. Where mother is the subject. And what she do? Loves her child. Loves her child is a subject. Okay. Parts of a sentence. The blind student fell into a deep pit and he was hurt very badly. Interjection है because it is an interjection sign. The blind adjective, student say noun, felt verb into preposition articles, deep adjective, pit noun and conjunction. She or he is a pronoun, was hurt verb bad, very badly is adverb. There are 8 parts of speech given here in a one sentence. Okay, so there's a parts of speech in sentence. We will learn this in a further chapter. Okay. Now we move upon types of sentence. We already learned about what is sentence, parts of sentence. Now we'll learn about the types of sentence. What is types of sentence? Basically, there are 6 kinds of sentences. Statements, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. 4, exclamatory. These two types of sentence is not in your syllabus. Okay, so we learn about only statements, इसको we'll say declarative sentence also. It states something, say something about the sentence. Say I am feeling well. I am feeling well. This is two types of statements. Have also divided in two parts, that is affirmative and negative. I am feeling well is affirmative and I am not feeling well is negative. That interrogative, we just ask the question in interrogative sentence like what, which, whose. These, when we ask the question, that is called the interrogative sentence. We'll ask someone is asking question with you, or you are asking the question to anyone. Then at the last of the sentence we put question mark. We say what is your name? So we write this. First letter will be capital and then at the last we put question mark. Next is imperative. In imperative sentence we give order, request, suggestion, advice, like shut up. Please forgive me. Shut up is order. You give someone order that shut up, not to speak, not. Close the door. These are all orders. And then please forgive me. Please give me your pencil. Please give me one glass of water. We'll just request it. We'll request it. And that is, last is the suggestion. We'll give advice to her friends, colleagues. We give advice to her younger sisters, brother and all. That's suggestion or advice. This is a suggestion. Now next is exclamatory. Anger, fear, joy, surprise. That feeling will not touch. Will not touch that feeling. We'll just feel inside it, but we will not see that feeling. Your anger, joy, surprise. So there we put a exclamatory sign. Oh, it is a snake. Oh my God. When you surprise, when you are very happy or you are sad. Say for example, Alash, she is no more. He is no more. Hooray! I won the match. These are the expressions which you are expressed. These are called the exclamatory sentences, and you have to always put a exclamation sign. These are basically there are 6 kinds of sentences, but in your syllabus there are 4 types of sentences. First is a statement, beyond says, declarative, assertive sentence also, which states something, which says something about the sentence that I am feeling well. I am feeling well. And last you start the sentence with capital letter and end with a period or a full stop. Next, interrogative, you just generally this is started with the question. What, which, whose, where. These are ask the question. Ask a question. So it's called the interrogative sentence. It started with the capital letter but end with the question mark. Next is imperative. I already told imperative. Maybe so orders, request, suggestion, say shut up, please forgive me. I give you more examples also, like give me your pencil, please give me your pencil, please give me your pen. Like this you request. And order, close the door, sit down properly. This is the order. Come here. These are the orders. And suggestion, you will give the advice. Do this. This is good for you. It is good for you. This is your work. You have to do. These are the suggestion you give. Next is exclamatory, anger, fear, joy or surprises. When you are anger, when you are fear, joy or surprises, then oh, it is a snake. You are surprised to see snake. Then you say, oh, it's a snake. When you are very happy, hooray, I won the match. Like this, I won the match, hooray. You are very happy. Then you express like hooray. Then we always put an exclamatory sign. And these are the 2 more relative and doubt indicating. This is 2 more 5 and 6 types of sentences, but it is not in your syllabus. Then we will read in this. Then we learn about it in higher class. Thank you. Hello students. Today we learn about the topic. Hello students. Today we learn about the topics sentence. Topic sentence. So first we will not jump directly on the topic. First we will understand what is word. What is word? A group of letters A group of letter is called word. A group of letter is called, what is a word? A group of letter is called word. For example, O, Y, B. O, Y, B. It is a group of words, but it's make no sense. Again, then we write B, O, ball. It is a group of letter and it's make sense. It's called ball. Then we'll understand what is the meaning of, what is the sentence. So here is the definition of sentence. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. For example, color green favorite is mine. You can understand what is the meaning of it. Color green. You can understand this sentence. What give any sense? This sentence gives no sense. Make no sense. Therefore, it is not a sentence because it's make no sense. You can understand this sentence? No. Then we'll write this. Then we'll arrange this sentence and that write my favorite color is green. Makes complete sense. Therefore, it is a sentence. It makes complete sense. That's why it is called a sentence. Sentences mainly two types. Sentences mainly two types according to meaning and according to structure. Now we